unlock your fortune, the Lucky Spin explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, the place where learning English is both fun and effective. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, lucky spin. You've probably heard this term in games, contests, or even when talking about taking chances. So, let's spin the wheel of knowledge together and find out what it means and how you can use it in everyday English. Lucky spin is a phrase that you might encounter in games or promotional events. But what exactly does it mean? A spin refers to the act of quickly turning around in circles or making something rotate around an axis. When we add the word lucky to it, we're talking about a spin that results in a positive outcome by chance. It's commonly associated with a wheel that you spin to win prizes. Think of it like a mini game of fortune, where your reward depends on where the wheel stops. The phrase embodies hope, chance, and excitement. The thrill of winning something by simply taking a spin. Now, let's look at how to incorporate lucky spin into a sentence. I took a lucky spin on the game show and won a car. The casino is offering a lucky spin to all new players for a chance to win free credits. In both examples, lucky spin is used to describe a situation where someone attempts to win something through a game of chance. The phrase can convey both literal and figurative meanings. Figuratively speaking, you could use it when you take a chance in life, hoping for a favorable result. Sometimes, the concept of lucky spin isn't about a physical wheel. It can also be a metaphor for taking a chance on an opportunity in life. Here are some variations. Give it a whirl means to try something out. Take a spin at, to attempt or try something new. Spin the wheel of fortune, to take a chance and see what destiny has in store for you. Using different phrases with similar meanings enriches your vocabulary and helps you understand the nuances of the English language better. Thank you for watching our video on the phrase, lucky spin. We hope you now have a better understanding of this exciting term and feel confident using it in your conversations. Remember, learning English is like taking a lucky spin in the game of knowledge. Sometimes, you land on new words and expressions that can be just the prize you needed. Keep practicing, and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning videos. See you next time.